Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to see the example for partition values with frequency or without frequency. This is the data that I have taken. It's nothing but the wages of some laborers which are arranged haphazardly. We need to find out quartile number 1, D6, percentile 82. Okay. First and foremost step is to arrange it in an ascending order. I have arranged the wages in an ascending order where the unit is rupees. The total number of observation is 10. You need to find out the quartile number 1 for this. Now quartile number 1 is what? N plus 1 by 4, correct? Now n is the total number of observation, 10. I have put in the value and calculate, which I have got 2.75. Now you don't have this value over the data, correct? So you need to convert it in terms of these values, right? So 2 is nothing but the second value, okay? The second value is what? 56, okay? Now in order to find out the proper value for quartile number 1 among these data, you need to multiply this 0.75. We have segregated into two parts. 2 is the second value plus 0.75 into the third value minus the second value. Here the third value is 65 and the second value is 56. Subtracting it and multiplying it, we have got quartile number 1 is equals to 60.75, which is somewhere in the middle. Okay, so now this is the quartile number 1. In order to find out the decile 6, what I have told you about the formula, decile 6 is nothing but 6 by 10 into n plus 1, correct? Now n plus 1 is 11, and after calculating it we have got d6 is equals to 6.6, but we have not got the value 6.6 over the data, so you have to convert it in terms of the items given here. Okay, so 6 is nothing but the sixth value. What is the sixth value? Sixth value is 80. Okay, now multiply it with 0.6 because that's what we have got by calculating it, and 0.75 is to be multiplied, 0.6 is to be multiplied with the 7th minus the 6th value. Here the 7th value is 82 and the 6th value is 80. We have got D6 is equals to rupees 81.20, which is somewhere in the middle. Okay, now in order to calculate the percentile 82, what we have got from the formula, percentile is nothing but the number of value, which is 82 pi 100 into n plus 1, correct? So this is the formula that you have got. After calculating it, you have got n 9.02. 9 is what? Ninth value plus 0.02 is to be multiplied with the difference of the preceding value minus the value itself. Here the value is 130 minus 120. Okay, after doing some manipulation, we have got percentile 82 to be 120.20. Okay, now we have taken an example with frequency. In order to calculate quartile or partition values in this case, you need to first calculate cumulative frequency of greater than type. So in order to calculate that, what I have done, this 1 remains 1 here. You need to add 1 with this preceding frequency. You will get the cumulative frequency of greater than type for the next value, which is 10. Now 10 plus 26 is 36. 36 plus 59 is 95, and so on. You have to calculate this for all the values. Now the total number of frequency is 256, which is nothing but the last value of the cumulative frequency of greater than type. In order to calculate quartile 2, which is nothing but the median itself, you have to put in the value like half into n. Whenever we have the data with frequency, you don't have to write n plus 1. Here you just have to take the total number of observation, which is n itself. Here the total number of observation is 256. After dividing it, you have got the value 128. Now see where the 128 lies in this data. 128 lies over here. You need to calculate the cumulative frequency of greater than type. You need to take the values greater than 128, which is 167. So the quartile number 1 would not be 167, it would be the value of x itself. Here the value of x is 4. So quartile number 1 would be, or quartile number 2 would be 4. Now in order to calculate quartile number 1, you have to divide it with 4, correct? You have got the value 64. Now the value greater than 64 is 95 because 64 lies over here, right? Now the value of x would be 3. The quartile 1 would be 3. Okay. Now in order to calculate decile 4, you have to multiply with 4 and divide it by 10. After calculating it, you have got d4 is equals to 102.4. Now the cumulative frequency of greater than 102.4 would be 167 because again this lies over here. Now the value of x would be 4. d4 is again 4. P27, you have to multiply 27 by 100 into total number of observation because in case of with frequency, you don't take n plus 1, right? After doing some calculation, you have got P27 which is equals to 69.12, right? Now 69.12 lies over here. The value greater than 69.12 would be 95. The value of x would be 3. Now here the P27 is 3. So okay, bye bye. I'm signing off now. Thank you very much for watching.